Hadin ka jing ino kam u Zenith Sangma na ka party TMC hakine ki khandiat sngi u Zenith Sangma ubala longru kum vice president jong ka party TMC ulalek panya so yalade sha ka party congress hakabana kalyang ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kala Pdiang Burom yaw Zenith Sangma menta ka sngi ka arp katai tarik u benai risau ha congress bhavan haka jingadan lang u e chela kumar ubade unong pet jong ka AICC haka jala Meghalaya harangkat uba Vincent H Palau president ka Meghalaya PCC lembat kiwe ki dekhot jong ka party congress.
The congress family, I think we can do much more. We have a lots of works, we have challenges, but we have also opportunity so that we can work together for a betterment of our generations. Next, may I call upon our friends. He has been an officer when I was a student. We call him Basim. My brother used to be a police officer with him. And Basim was known as one of the most honest police those days. That's why he's got medals from the President of India, from the Governor of Meghalaya. So very hard to get an honest officer like I've told you. May I request Basim to give us a few words.
I worked along with our then MLA, Mr. Didi Lapant, in Nombor constituency, as my native place is a small village, Molong, 20 kilometers away from Nombor. Before the elections of 1988, however, fortunately or unfortunately, before the elections, I mean in July 1987, I got an appointment order from the government of Meghalaya in the police department, and I with much difficulty, our leader allowed me to leave the party. I left the party and continued to serve the people wherever I was posted to the police department, which I have exited in July 2021 without any tainted remarks on my career. Briefly, of course, I must confess, I should not hide. After that, I associated with myself with the party UDP, and when I was in that party, I could hear the gossips, I mean to say, or I could hear the opinions of the members in that party saying that we never find a disciplined party like the Congress. So since I joined the Congress those days, though I'm in the police department, my mind is always with the Congress. I have a sound knowledge of who the political leaders, not only in the state of Meghalaya, nor in the neighboring state of Assam, and I'm a very well conversant with the names of the political leaders across India.